Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you the case study number 3. Let us study it first. The topic of this case study is incidence of poverty by social groups. Social groups, here we are talking about scheduled caste and scheduled tribes and combined of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes all. So here we can understand that in this table we have given the incidence of poverty for the year 1993 to 94 and 2004 to 2005 in percentages. So in 1993 and 4 we can see that in rural area social caste was 48.3% poor, and while it comes to 2004 and 5 we can see that 36.8% are poor. For scheduled tribes in 1993 to 94 52% were poor, and in 2004 and 5 47.7% are poor. Combined of all, the total poverty for the social groups were in 37.3 in 1993 to 4 and 28.3 in 2004 to 2005. When it comes to urban area, we can see that the percentage of poor in 1993 to 1994 for scheduled caste was 48.8, and it reduces to 39.8 for scheduled tribes. It reduces from 40.1 to 33.9 from 1993 to 1994 to 1994 to 1995. And including of scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, the poverty reduces from 32.4 in 1993 to 1991 to 25.7 in 2004 to 2005. Now, what we have to do is we have to understand the questions. For which social group the incidence of poverty was higher than the national average? National average means this. कौन से सोशल ग्रुप के लिए रूरल एरिया के अंदर 1993-94, इसका मतलब हम सिर्फ इतने एरिया की बात करें. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस एरिया, राइट? ओके, तो इस एरिया के अंदर व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट, सो रूरल एरिया के अंदर जो आपका नेशनल एवरेज से ज़्यादा है वो कितना है? तो नाउ वी कैन सी दैट नेशनल एवरेज इज 37.3, दोनों ही ज़्यादा है. नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट हायर, तो हम इसका आंसर किस तरह से लिखेंगे? नेशनल एवरेज से दैट मीन्स बोथ सोशल कास्ट एंड सोशल ट्राइब्स पॉवर्टी was higher in both as compared to the average of the national nation, but as compared to scheduled caste it was higher in the scheduled tribes, that is 52% as compared to 48.3% in scheduled caste. This is how we have to answer it. And next question is, during 1993 to 1994 and 2004 to 2005, which social group in urban area here we are talking about experienced higher reduction in poverty? कौन से ग्रुप की हायर रिडक्शन हुई पावर्टी की? तो अब सबसे पहले तो हमें ये देखना है कि कितना परसेंट हमारे इसके अंदर कम हुआ. तो शेड्यूल कास्ट के अंदर 48.8 था, फिर 39 हो गया. कितना कम हो गया? 9 से कम हो गया. व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट शेड्यूल ट्राइब, तो इनका जो था 40.1 था और अब हो गया 33.9. इनका कम हो गया लगभग 6.2 से. तो हम देख सकते हैं किसका ज़्यादा रिडक्शन हुआ? शेड्यूल कास्ट का. तो इन दिस आंसर वी हैव टू शो दिस कैलकुलेशन, right? For scheduled caste in 1993-4 it was 48.3, which reduced to 39.8 in 2004-5. That means the reduction was by 9%. And for scheduled tribes it reduces from 40.1 to 33.9. That means it reduced by the poverty reduced by 6.2%. So hence we can conclude that scheduled caste is the social group in urban area which experienced a higher reduction in poverty. So this is how you have to write your answer. You have to explain it. Enumerate whether the decline in poverty at all India level has been higher in rural area or urban area. अभी all India level की बात करें, that means we are talking about all India level, right? कि वहाँ पे डिक्लाइन किस में ज़्यादा है? रूरल एरिया में ज़्यादा है या अर्बन एरिया के अंदर ज़्यादा है? नाउ वी कैन सी दैट इन रूरल एरिया इट डिक्रीजेज फ्रॉम 37.3 to 28.3. इट रिड्यूसेस बाय 9, राइट? ये 9 से हमारा कम हुआ. एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट इन अर्बन एरिया 32.4 से 25.7 हुआ, तो दैट मीन्स 6.7 से रिड्यूस हुआ. इसको भी हमें ऐसे ही एक्सप्लेन करना है कि ऑल इंडिया लेवल पावर्टी वी कैन सी इन रूरल एरियाज इट रिड्यूसेस फ्रॉम 37.3 to 28.9. दैट मीन्स द रिडक्शन वॉज बाय 9%. एंड in urban areas it reduces from 32.4 to 25.7, that is the reduction was by 6.7%. So hence we can conclude that the decline in the poverty at all India level was higher in the rural areas, right? नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लास्ट क्वेश्चन, टू रिड्यूस पावर्टी को कम करने के लिए कौन से सोशल ग्रुप पे गवर्नमेंट को ज़्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए, शेड्यूल कास्ट पे या शेड्यूल ट्राइब पे? तो इसका आंसर हम लोग तो देख के डायरेक्टली बच्चे क्या करते हैं, सीधे सीधे इसको देखते हैं जी अच्छा इतना इतना कम है, सीधे सीधे लिख देते हैं। तो हमें ये नहीं करना। वॉट वी हैव टू डू इज we directly have to write for both. The government, to reduce poverty, government should increase the expenditure for all the social groups, either it is scheduled tribes or it is scheduled caste, because the poverty is more in both, ठीक है। but अब यहाँ पे आपने थोड़ा सा अपना बता दिया, यहाँ पे but में आकर के आप बताएंगे but when we compare scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, government should increase its expenditure more in scheduled tribes as compared to scheduled caste, because the reduction in the poverty in scheduled tribe is less. The percentage of reduction in the scheduled tribe is less, and especially in the urban areas government should pay attention to the scheduled tribes, especially in the urban areas as well as in the rural areas, to reduce the poverty. Clear? This is how you have to answer. Now you just write the answers and upload it on Google Classroom. Thank you. God bless you.